Don't die yet because I'm crittable.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Sounds ominous.
1.
We're pulling like half a second after the full timer ends.
Bloodlust.
I actually have to delay my pre-go.
Shards.
First shot. Blood present. Blood present.
Oh my. Yeah. Fuck me. I was crittable as well.
Fuck's sake, guys, come on. Count down. Don't go across
Yes.
the...
I beg.
What?
Inferno.
The boss?
Wall? I beg.
Missing.
Shards.
I'm tormented.
I'll take my
Okay,
shot.
then-
Make him...
Can we just go again?
What happened here? Like, what?
I
Yeah,
raced back and I didn't realize fucking swapping specs gets me out of fucking presence if I'm the same spec.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Like, okay, like the thing is, I'm so glad I'm laughing because like, old me would have like tilted really hard. This is like, I know it's like early morning, but slappy faces, you know what I mean?